Hello everyone, welcome to this quick demo on creating powerful manufacturing charts using Dashboard Ninja with AI in Odoo. In just a few minutes, you will learn how to build 5 insightful charts to superchange your production monitoring. Once you are logged in, open the Dashboard Ninja module and click on Add New Dashboard to start from scratch. Let's name this dashboard Manufacturing KPIs. Let's begin with the production output chart. Click on the Set Create New Chart. Set the chart type to bar graph and model, and for model name choose manufacturing order. In the Data tab under Measures, select Quantity Producing. Then group the data by product. Here is your live preview tracking how much you are producing over time. Next, let's build an overall equipment effectiveness chart to track equipment effectiveness. Set the chart type to stacked bar chart, and for model name choose Work Center Productivity Logs. Add duration as your measures. Group the chart by work center for a detailed view. You now have a stacked bar chart showing overall equipment effectiveness metrics across machines and shifts. Let's break down your planned versus in progress quantities. Set the chart type to pie chart, and for model name choose manufacturing order. Use quantity to produce as your measures. Then group by product to pinpoint what's holding you back. Your pie chart now highlights the planned and in progress productions at a glance. Now let's look at scrap rates. Set the chart type to bar chart, and for model name choose scrap. Track quantity as your key metrics. Group by product to locate quality issues. This bar chart gives a clear picture of quality across your products. Let's build the work order leads time chart, and this will be the last one. Set the chart type to line chart, and for model choose work order. Select expected duration and real duration as your measures. Group by product for trend analysis. You now have a line chart tracking delays or efficiency over time. And there you have it, 5 powerful charts, all created in minutes, all fully powered by Dashboard Ninja with AI in Odoo. Use these dashboards to take real control of your manufacturing KPIs. No code, no hassle, just insight. Head to the Odoo App Store and give it a spin today.